That in our relationship of having the new life, that we're supposed to put down some of the behaviors. But we're having this struggle on the inside, but even on the battle with Satan says, he doesn't want you to give it away. Because he understands to put aside, to mortify, to die to some of these behaviors and habits and fleshly things that are temptations to us, the more that he can get us to look to those things, the more that we will feel we don't matter to God, that we're too sinful to God, that he's not going to want us because we're doing this, that, and the other. And God is saying, don't listen to the lie. Don't stay in the muck and the mire of all the sin. That's why even the alcoholics and addicts will come to their knowledge and say, one day at a time. One day at a time, we have to get up in the morning, praise the Lord, and ask God to be with us, study his word, pray about the things that are going on in our lives so that we can put down some of the things you're going to see here. But